Yo, what is up, guys? JAMAICA'S came out here with another reaction. Today, guys, me have the most requested video in my Instagram inbox ever since we start the reaction channel, guys. This, like, black people song. After that, them said do black people song first, then the white people song, then the Mexican song or some shit. We never know. But this is the black people song reaction. I never do it before. I never hear it before. I don't know what to expect. So let's go. Let's get the fuck into this song. I don't know what is it people are requesting. Why people are requested for. I don't know. Let's go.
This song is dedicated to a certain kind of people, which just so happens to be my favorite kind of people. You know, the ones that, you know, you're standing next to them and it all of a sudden it gets dark. I mean, you know, your best friend is, you know what I'm saying, right? Yeah.
Nope.
Black people, I'ma steal your shoes. You better hide your wallet, cause I'ma take that too.
No. You have to take the piss, dog. You ready? You start to... So this are the fuckery where you want me react to. This is the fuckery what you want me react to. Alright, let's go.
Black people.
Hey.
Black people, one big family with a really big bucket of KFC. Black people.
Seriously, like all of us are related.
Seriously, like all of us are related. Guys, can somebody tell me in the comment section, like, I don't know what to expect. Like, dog, honestly, I don't know what to expect. Yo.
I ran into an old amigo named Juan Luis. The Mexican called me Apple cause we both hang from trees. Now I kinda took that in a joking way, but was he talking about monkeys of the KKK? We don't get sunburnt, just ashy knees. And we don't chew tobacco, but we will smoke weed.
Yeah. We don't get sunburn, we get ashy knees. Me have a few brethren right now, them knee ashy. They can light a matches on them knee. Yes, we don't smoke tobacco. Yes, we smoke the good old marijuana. Yeah.
Puff, puff, pass like the train that could. And we can't spell neighbor, so we call it the hood.
That's true.
And most of us would die with a finger on the trigger. I guess that's why they say I'm just a filthy little spear chucking, chicken eating, melon sucking, lone fetus, weed smoking, long penis. Well, you get the picture.
He wanted to say the N-word, but he never. Me like that. You never say. Me like that.
They tried to keep us out the White House again, but just like all White Houses, one of us broke in.
Oh shit!
Fetus, weed smoking, long penis. Well, you get the picture. They tried to keep us out the White House again, but just like all White Houses, one of us broke in. And welfare and diapers is all we got. If you don't wear my favorite color, then you might get shot.
If you don't wear my favorite color, then you might get shot. So it matter about the Crips and Bloods, the red and the blue, right? Jesus Christ. Okay.
My favorite color is purple, by the way.
Yeah.
A black woman came to me to bash my song. I told her all blacks are Democrat. Now prove me wrong. Black people, I'ma steal your shoes. You better hide your wallet, cause I'ma take that too. Black people.
The chorus kill me.
Black people, one big family with a really big bucket of KFC. Black people.
And it doesn't have to be KFC. We like Popeye's biscuits too.
You just say KFC? What the fuck?
Big family with a really big bucket of KFC. Black people.
Black people love chicken for sure. No joke. We love chicken for sure. We do love chicken, dog. We do love chicken. We can't hide that. We love chicken. We can cook it good too. we can cook it. Some of us anyway. As long as stop seasoning on it.
And it doesn't have to be KFC. We like Popeye's biscuits too. Hey, hey, hey. What's a black song without any rap in it, right?
Yeah, rap them here.
Check it. Yeah. It always starts out that way, right?
Yeah.
Now there's a line between discriminating and not in different places. You are if you use the N-word, but if you're black, then you're not racist. I mean,
I always say that. I always say, but the N-word, me not like it. Me not like hear an ex-black person call an ex-black person that. Me in a club before and hear a song come on and me hear white people are sing the N-word part. Me I say, look at that, man. That look away.
And they're not in different places. You are if you use the N-word, but if you're black, then you're not racist. I mean, well, I guess you can. Just not around your black friends. You'll get jumped by every cousin, including the one behind that trash can. Now, let me tell you a story back before America was stolen. There were two tribes of black people, the Indians and the
Africans.
Poans. The Indians were like caramel. The Poans were like Sharpies. I guess that's why they called them pilgrims and why they called us darkies. The Indians had all the horses, land turkeys. The geniuses, the Poans killed their horses, took their hair and their penises. But there's not really a moral to this story though, except that we will steal your goodies, and that is how the story goes. Black people.
Yo, oh the fuck this song is up on YouTube, see me. Oh, YouTube don't tell you on that song, yeah. If YouTube don't tell it, me like it. It's funny. It's funny to me. It's funny. Some people might find it offensive, but it's funny. It's accurate. It's accurate as fuck. It's accurate as hell, dog. No joke. I like the video too. I like the little animation thing that we are going. It make it even more funnier, dog. You see it on the screen. Yo, it's nice.
I'ma steal your shoes. You better hide your wallet, cause I'ma take that too. Black people. Hey. Black people, one big family with a really big bucket of KFC. Black people.
Seriously, like all of us are related.
I ran into an old amigo named Juan Luis. The Mexican called me Apple cause we both hang from trees.
Oh, it has started back again. Guys, yo, me like it. Me don't know why, but me like it. If you don't want to see me do the white people song, let me know. Or any other race. Think about the Indian, the white, the black, the whatever. If you don't want to see me do them all, just let me know in the comment section, dog. But me like it. I want to know how it's still up on YouTube. How it not get taken down yet, dog. Like, how the hell this song not get taken down yet, brother? Oh. Me not understand that. YouTube. Yo. Oh my god. Oh my god. The man say, yo, black people like KFC. Yeah, we do. But it isn't always KFC, dog. It like Popeyes too. Yo, it's such a good song, dog. It's a good song. I like it. It's a masterpiece. No joke. I like it. Yo, this song, depending on how you if you don't have a sense of humor, you will find it as a racist song. But me like it. Dog. It's so friggin' accurate. Yo, I don't know. I know, but I think it just started back anyway. I'm sure it just started back. I could check because this is the 10-hour version, so I could check if it started back.
Now I kind of took that in a joking way.
Yeah,
what was he talking about?
Yeah, it started back. Yeah, so yeah, guys, this is where I'm gonna end that one. Yeah, if you don't want to hear me do the white people song next, let me know in the comment section. I don't mind doing it now. We do all of them. We do all of them. Just let me know in the comment section. This one I'm gonna leave the one still, guys. So I'll see you guys at the next one. You hear that? Peace out, man. Peace out.